How to connect HappyCast updated. Most people get this wrong, but connecting HappyCast to your TV or projector is much easier than it seems. You won't believe how quickly you can mirror your device once you follow the right steps. Start by ensuring both your mobile device and HappyCast receiver are on the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for a stable connection. Open the HappyCast app on your phone. Tap the Connect or Device Search button. The app will scan for compatible receivers. Once your device appears, select it to pair. If prompted, enter any required PIN displayed on your TV or receiver. This completes the secure connection. You can now cast videos, photos or music directly from your mobile device. For smoother performance, close background apps, and ensure your Wi-Fi signal is strong. Some devices may require firmware updates. Check the app settings to keep your HappyCast updated. In conclusion, connecting HappyCast involves matching Wi-Fi networks, scanning for devices, pairing with a PIN, and maintaining strong connectivity. With these steps, your screen mirroring works quickly and reliably.